Hello and welcome to another informative video about STC Film's new product introduction. Due to popular customer requests for a windshield protection film with heat rejection ability, our R&D has now introduced a hybrid version of the film. Protektor Film Everclear Windshield Protection Film is now available in ultra clear TPU base and a hybrid TPU and PET base for heat rejection plus extra impact resistance. The Everclear EC01 is available in clear, and the EC02 is the hybrid, where the PET is ceramic coated for heat rejection. Due to the excellent flexibility of the TPU-based film, it is ideal for curved glass as well as large windshields of buses and yachts, without the need of heating to form the shape. The hybrid TPU plus PET-based film fulfills the need for heat rejection, plus where extra protection is required from stronger impacts. This is installed using the traditional method of heat shrinking and forming the film. Both these films contribute to the Green Earth Initiative by stopping thousands of broken windshields from ending up in the landfills. Due to the scratch-resistant coating and self-healing properties of the Everclear windshield protection films, these films have been tested and proven superior to any existing products on the market. Once again, STC had provided a world's first innovative product, thanks to the constant R&D done by their team. We thank the thousands of loyal customers around the world for trusting and supporting us. Trust in the film that cares for you like no other.